All right, guys, we are in a crazy freaking blizzard, man. Like this is some serious shit. One thing funny I want to show you guys. If you guys remember my video on the pre-filter, there's the pre-filter full of snow. It literally sucked up snow into the filter. Luckily, something I haven't actually shown is that we have this little doodad here, and thank God, because we're going to do some plowing of the driveway. If you guys remember, last year we bought the Jeep and it didn't snow. Didn't snow at all. Now all of a sudden, yeah, snow. So I actually did plow a little bit, but we're getting like an inch an hour, maybe even more. And just for some giggles and something to do, I'm gonna actually put the light bar on here that's on the back of the Jeep. Got a light bar on there. I'm gonna actually hook you guys to the plow, and just gonna make a cool little video. All right, so for right now, we're gonna go ahead inside of here and just there we go. Let this sit there and run for a little bit and warm up. But let there be light. And we do have a light bar on this as well. Crazy, 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 crazy. I just seriously can't believe how bad this snowfall is. Like, this is just nuts. Oh, God. Jesus. All right, so here's a little clip from tonight. So this is not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, so that thing is definitely a lifesaver now. you can't even see any of the inflatables that are under here. That is phenomenal. Now this is slightly a mess. It's right about here, so it's kind of in the road a little bit. Hopefully a plow will come by and get that. If not, I'm just gonna have to actually get that out into the street possibly tomorrow and try to push this that way. The only problem is there's literally been no plow truck that came down the street. This whole street has not seen a single plow. So that kind of, that really sucks, to be brutally honest. But I am very, very happy that we actually had this thing and it works well. You guys can see my wife's Jeep ain't going nowhere. This, I gotta be honest, I think we'd be lucky to see even be able to make it anywhere, which, I mean, it probably could. And the Mustang is just being a Mustang. That ain't coming out at all. Oh man. All right guys, so here's the next morning. Driveway is completely full again, even though I've been plowing it. Mustang is useless. The snow is literally up to the halfway mark on the tire. That's definitely different. And the front would basically be a snow plow. Jeep, thank God I have it, because that isn't affected at all. It could still be able to make its way through this. My steps are like a slide, and here you guys can see this is definitely very deep. So now I have to try to actually get this down there, plow, but I'm not going to film that. I'm just going to leave this video where it's at. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Got a lot of work to do, so we'll see you guys next time. The apocalypse.